We're getting started here today by placing a layer of some tasty graham crackers right here on the bottom of our baking dish. Once you have that all on the bottom, you can go ahead and bring in your bowl. Alongside with that, we'll add 2 cups of cold water. We will also add a regular size 3.4 ounce box of instant chocolate pudding. Now, of course, you want to give yourself a minute to mix those together, and after about 2 minutes, the mixture should already starting to thicken up if your milk in there was cold. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this up, make sure it's all mixed up. We just want that consistency to start to thicken up a little bit. You can tell that everything is all mixed together, and just like I said, that pudding is starting to get a little bit on the thicker side, and that's exactly what you want. Once you reach that, you'll grab yourself 8 ounces of some Cool Whip. Cool people use Cool Whip. Why did it even get called Cool Whip in the first place? I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna take that 8 ounces of Cool Whip and we're gonna plop it right here in with that chocolate pudding. Oh my goodness, you guys, if you've ever done this, you know that it just makes this perfect kind of chocolate mousse-like consistency. So you'll gently start to fold that in until all of that Cool Whip and the chocolate pudding then is mixed together. Oh, look at that. It's just like this piece of art swirling together. Who doesn't love chocolate and Cool Whip? Just creating this really fluffy, chocolatey mousse that is going to go delicious with this easy no-bake treat that we're making today. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have about that mixed together like so, you are going to go ahead and grab some mini marshmallows. Now, I'm just going to eyeball this and dump about 2 cups of mini marshmallows in, but this is something that you could definitely change. Also, what you're putting into this can definitely change, you guys. That's the beautiful thing about life. There is always constant change going on. So let's try not to get too stuck into our regular ways, and maybe we think outside the box or we try some new things. So I'm putting together these marshmallows right inside here. Now I can tell about how much is in there now, and I want to add just a little bit more to make it to my liking. That's perfect. And I'll go ahead and give those a fold in along with all of that delicious chocolate mousse that we have whipped together today. We're going to have these fluffy marshmallows and it is going to be fabulous. That looks just about perfect. I am definitely satisfied. We will then bring our dish back in that has our graham crackers layered, and I'm going to plop in a hefty amount of this delicious mix right on top. Now I'm just going to use half of that amount and I'm going to start to spread it all over the top. If the graham crackers move, don't worry about it. It's fine. They're all there right on the bottom still, and this is going to be super tasty either way. So make it easy on yourself, right? Little stress dessert here, nothing to worry about. Okay, that looks good. Looks like I have that all layered up. Maybe you're catching on to where we are going with this really tasty dessert. I'm layering on another layer of these graham crackers on top of the chocolate mousse and those fluffy marshmallows, you guys. When these graham crackers sit with this mixture in the refrigerator, they're gonna start to get a little bit softer and create just the greatest pairing, right, with these. If you guys have ever made a sweet treat this way, you know exactly what I am talking about. All right, we have a little bit left of that delicious mix here, probably about half if we're doing it right. And I'm gonna plop the remainder of all of that right on top. Look at how easy this is, you guys. We are whipping this together with a few ingredients, definitely won't break the bake, and it's perfect for these warmer months. I don't know if you kind of caught on that I definitely have a thought of a type of a campfire vibe here. So we are kind of doing a little s'mores theme. I'm gonna seal the deal with one last layer of graham cracker. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we are gonna use these up right here on top. And the best thing is that we're just gonna decorate this all up so you can't even see it. We will finish it off with just a little bit more Cool Whip on top. Now, of course, this is optional, and I did ponder whether I should just leave it be the chocolate on top or I should do another layer of graham cracker. So tell me in the comments, do you feel like I did this right, or would you just let it be chocolatey on top and not add extra Cool Whip and an extra layer of graham crackers? I need to know, you guys. I need to know what you're thinking on this. Okay, so I am just gonna really carefully spread this all the way over the top and just try to even it out the best that I can, creating these super tasty, creamy layers. Oh yeah, this is so good, you guys, and how fun to make this. Now I have a little bit more of those marshmallows. I'm just gonna sprinkle these right here on top right, of this Cool Whip, just so you can see that we're giving it this like campfire effect here. Some summertime outdoor action, right? Coming together here in our dessert, along with some mini chocolate chips, because we all know that s'mores are delicious, right? A little chocolate, little marshmallow, little graham cracker, and maybe you have like some deluxe s'more that you like to make. And if that's the case, share it. I don't know if you've ever tried it with the Reese's peanut butter cup, but it is off the charts amazing. Enough of that now, you guys. I want you to see all of these delicious fluffy layers right there inside. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pop it in the fridge, let it set up for a couple hours so those graham crackers can start to soften up and stick around. I think you're really gonna love this one. Oh my goodness, I have been patiently waiting for this. It looks fabulous, and I think that those graham crackers are going to be perfect. Oh yeah, it feels really smooth. My spatula is just sliding right down in there. Holy cow, this looks so fluffy. What a perfect combination. Check that out. Wow, that looks amazing. Holy cow, we are in for a treat. I'm just gonna plop that on there. I cannot wait to take a big bite of this, you guys. And which reminds me, I need to go camping. Oh, a little s'mores action here, let's go. That is fantastic. Holy cow, you guys. The chocolate fluffiness in the middle is perfect, and I love the graham crackers. They're softened up, they're great. They're so good, my puppy even wants some. I guess I can't give it chocolate to dogs, but you know, we could give them some ice cream or maybe some whipped cream, I don't know. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this delicious dessert, and if there's anything you're gonna switch up, we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.